Hi, my name is Mimi Topping. I'm a certified art teacher in New Jersey, as well as a certified Zentangle teacher. Zentangle is an easy-to-learn, fun, and relaxing way of creating beautiful works of art using patterns. Zentangle is a trademark method of teaching created by Rick Roberts and Maria Thomas. I'm excited to show you what a virtual workshop with me is like, as well as sharing samples of endless possible classes for all ages. In the sample class that you're about to watch, we're using tracings of our hand as our tile. We will next pencil in smaller spaces to pattern within. So, with your pen, in your space, you're going to draw half circles, not too small. Space them out all along the inside border of that space. And you're basically going to just outline it in a thickish manner, if that's a word. So see how I'm just going to make sure I try to not go into the little plant, but I'm outlining it with the pencil. So go ahead and outline all of your little plants or hearts or whatever it was you made. It is just simple. Anybody can do this. And a lot of people that think, it's overwhelming, walk away quite surprised at what they can do with just a few pen strokes. I'll even zoom in a little bit just to show you what we'll do. With that shader, you're just going to soften it and kind of pull it out. Just ignore the bubbles are now just a background. Don't worry about the bubbles. They're just basically nothing but a background. So I'm going to kind of soften it and pull it away, but not necessarily cover the whole background, just wherever it kind of fuzzes away. See how it blends? You can kind of see the difference between where I just shaded and where I haven't yet shaded. So each one at a time. Just heavy-handed, redo the grid. Intersected by another broken line with your pen. And then you're going to do little half breaks on the angle. Deliberately put like a little dark ball on the end of each line. Let me go back and show you how we're going to shade this. And then you just soften it up. You're just taking your little shader and you're just pressing down and you're just fuzzing it out. If you leave the middle white, it's kind of interesting. If it fuzzes all together as a gray, I'll do one of those. That's interesting too. These images are examples of customized classes. As you can see, the possibilities can be endless. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at mimitopping.com or at Zentangle with Mimi on Instagram. Take care. I look forward to working with you.